Hi everyone! Tara kain tayo dito sa Gonjan Unlimited. Ayan guys, so ganito dito sa loob. Malawak naman po yung loob. And yan. So waiting po tayo ng ating mga kasamang kumain. Sasamahan nyo ako. Alright? And here you go. Ready to eat. So, magluto muna ako. Magluto kami before kumain. Charot. Ayan, let's eat. Ayan guys, so kain tayo. Let's eat. And yes, enjoy lang. So, kagandahan negosyo natin is syempre kasama with business partners at the same time, kumain together. And yun, nakaka-excite kasi nagsishare ng nagsishare ng mga positive trips. Masarap guys. Kain nyo. And we're done eating guys. Masasabi ko lang masarap yung food. Kaso nga lang kulang sila ng staff. And aside from that, wala silang kalamansi. Ayan. So yun lang. And syempre, try nyo rin guys if you want to.